growing a YouTube channel can feel overwhelming. Where do you start? What niche should you pick? How do you even get your first 1,000 subscribers? These are questions every creator faces, and I've been there too. But let me tell you about someone who's made this journey a whole lot easier. My teacher, Matt Parr. Matt is a YouTube expert who's built multiple successful channels in completely different niches, and he's dedicated himself to teaching others how to do the same. His course, YouTube Mastery and Monetization, has helped thousands of students around the world start and grow profitable YouTube channels, even without showing their face on camera. When I discovered Matt's course, it completely changed how I approached YouTube. His step-by-step system breaks everything down in a way that's easy to follow. Even if you're starting from scratch, it's like having a roadmap that guides you through every step of building a successful channel. Here's what Matt's course covers and why it's so powerful. 1. Choosing the right niche. One of the biggest mistakes people make on YouTube is picking the wrong niche. Matt teaches you how to find profitable niches that you're passionate about, but also have high potential for growth. He provides detailed methods to analyze niche demand, so you don't waste time creating content that doesn't perform. 2. Channel setup for success. Matt doesn't just tell you to start a channel, he shows you how to set it up the right way. From optimizing your channel name to creating a professional-looking banner and ensuring your About section speaks to your target audience, these foundational steps set the tone for long-term success. 3. Video ideas and content strategy. Ever struggle with coming up with video ideas? Matt teaches how to generate endless video ideas that align with your niche and keep viewers engaged. He even covers how to research competitors and find trending topics, so your videos have a better chance of going viral. 4. The YouTube algorithm and SEO. YouTube isn't just a video sharing platform, it's a search engine. Matt's course dives deep into how the algorithm works and teaches you how to rank your videos higher by using proper keywords, tags, and descriptions. This step alone can massively boost your views and subscribers. 5. Monetization strategies. What's the point of growing a channel if you're not making money? Matt covers multiple monetization methods, including ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling your own products or services. He shows how to build a channel that generates income in multiple ways. 6. Scaling your channel. Once your channel starts gaining traction, the next step is to scale. Matt teaches you how to outsource tasks like editing, thumbnails, and scripting so you can focus on what you do best, creating content. This course is designed to take you from zero to hero, even if you've never uploaded a video before. Thousands of students from around the world have already seen incredible results. Many started with no subscribers and are now running channels that bring in consistent income each month. Here's the best part. You don't even have to show your face on camera. Matt specializes in faceless YouTube channels, so if you're camera shy or just want to work behind the scenes, this system is perfect for you. If you're serious about building a successful YouTube channel and finally breaking free from the trial and error approach, I highly recommend checking out Matt's course, YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's been a game changer for me, and it could be for you too. Don't waste another year wondering what could have been. Start taking action today. With the right guidance and a proven system, you can turn your passion into a profitable YouTube business. Let Matt's course show you how. It's time to make your dreams a reality.